Welcome. My name is Stella Libesmeyer. This is Little Alden Lake, north of Duluth, and welcome to my gardens. Actually, I started on the lakeside, and then it kept growing. So my husband would get real nervous when I would take the garden hose and started making a shape. And then he knew I was planting another one, and then another one.
So how many beds do you think you have?
I have about 7 gardens. They're a combination, but I would say they're probably 90% perennials. I've got some clematis over there, which is one of my favorites. It planted itself there, and I had an old fork, so I thought, oh, I'll hold it up with a fork. So that's what I did. I held it up with that fork because there's a couple of tines missing. I like to repurpose things. My pots are made out of their old graniteware kettles, or repurposed milk can up by the house, things like that. And here are some of my plates, my new hobby. I started doing these plates. You pick them up at sales, Goodwill, Salvation Army, and start combining plates and things until you think you got it, and then you glue them together and you have a flower that you never have to water. And this hydrangea, that one's called Pinky Winky. It's huge. I have to keep cutting it back. It gets real pink in the fall, and it's just beautiful. I had delphiniums here that were over 6 feet tall, so I've cut them all back, and some of them were, I left a few. I just love these colors in here. Purple and blue. This is an old bird cage. It's not really a bird cage, it's a decorative bird cage. I just like to plant flowers in here and sort of whimsy. I moved some Ligularia here. There used to be shrubs here, which I didn't like. I like things that die back down to the ground instead of picking leaves out of shrubs with branches. It's just too much work. This we did probably about 5 years ago. We hired a contractor to put in the pond, the waterfall, and this landscaping with the steps. And I have fish in my pond, goldfish, and they love it in there. And I've got all kinds of resident frogs. They sit on the daylilies. It's fun just to sit on the porch and have a cold glass of lemonade and enjoy the sound of the water falling into the pond. And I enjoy watching the fish. I'm always counting them and looking for this one or that one. I like some of the metal art. There's looks like a bug made out of old screws, a spoon, and bolts, nuts and bolts. Then I have another one. I have a ladybug over there. And these are planters, which I just love. My son and daughter-in-law gave me these frog planters. And so I put impatiens in them. They're like the sentinels before you come into the house. And over here I've got some angel wing begonias, and they love it over here. They get morning sun, and they like afternoon shade. They love my flowers here. I get the mallow and everything mixed in here. Yesterday I took a picture of bees and butterflies just hovering all around. My husband and I hauled in rocks, rock wall, and stuck in sedums. And I don't know, gardening is relaxing. It's a way of losing yourself. You don't even realize how many hours you've been in your gardens. All of a sudden you go in the house and, oh my God, it's that late? That happens a lot. I really enjoy my gardens. That's my passion, my flower garden.